Hello there, welcome to the video tutorial on how to register for Partners 1xBet affiliate program. This process will take no more than 1 minute and will grant you access to all the benefits and opportunities 1xBet has to offer. Firstly, open your browser and enter partners1xbet.com. Good. Now, click on the Become an Affiliate button to proceed to the registration screen. Please provide us with your contact information, first and last name, email address, your preferred language for communication, country of residence, and phone number. You can also leave your Skype or Telegram contacts if you find it more convenient to communicate through those platforms. Type in your username on the platform. Now, we can move on to the next screen. Share with us the source of your traffic. It can be your website address, a link to your social profile, or anything else. Don't have a specific source yet? Type in example.com. We would also like to know your preferred method for receiving the payouts. Pick one from the drop-down list and type in your account or wallet number. Click Next and you will be directed to the final screen of the registration form. Create a unique login and password for your Partners 1xBet account. Make sure that your password is between 8 and 100 characters long and that it contains lowercase and uppercase letters as well as numbers. Your password may also contain some special characters. Take a moment to review our terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box if you agree with the program's rules. You also have the option to subscribe to our newsletter. Click the Complete button to finalize the registration process. Great! Our team will need no more than 24 hours to verify your account. Welcome to the affiliate program you've been looking for.